smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Just going down the high street, leaving Lauder. Early morning mist. First bridge of the day. Up and over and probably through the sheep fields. Straight away, a pleasant walk in a mixed wood. Through the farm. I don't mean to be rude, but you got a big face. Yeah, you. I take it all back. You got a big face. You look like a bulldog. We can already see the change. A lot more arable farming than livestock. Definitely a feature as we've crossed the M74 going east. A number of communication towers, a huge number, so you can get 4 bars. Coming up to our stile with cattle in the next field. Here are inhabitants. Thankfully, they're going up the far end of the field. We took a little bit of a diversion in a big field up there because there are all the cows right on the path. So we're back. Early part of today is just over some open moorland. Nowhere to hide. Open to the weather. Good morning, day 13. For us, the penultimate day. We left Lauder and we're going to try and do a 30k day and wild camp, and that will set us up for a fairly short day tomorrow because we need to get a bus back. Yesterday, deliberately a short day into Lauder. Needed the rest. It's nice. Spent some time just reading. But today, the weather looks like it's going to hold all day, which would be fantastic. And we should then, let's see where the day takes us. Quite a bridge. We have a hiker going westbound. Just going through a series of fields on the field edge. This one has a old plantation beside it. We're quite a way away, but those Eldon Hills still dominate from all round. So we've been hearing him for most of the day. There he is on his quad bike with his dogs rounding up his sheep, pushing them. Just going across the moor on this road, going down to a farm and then turning back towards the east. Big open skies. on the moor. Not many landmarks. So there's the marker post, and way in the distance on the hill is where we're off to. I've never known that. Cows run out of the way. Well, that herd just ran away. Never known that before. There's no other path to go on, but it is still reassuring to see a sign every now and again. This fella is actually moving. Finally at the top of the ridge, and they point you off to Brynlaw, off to the right. Last few metres before the view from on top of Twinlaw. Came across all of that. The second of the twin. Stopped for lunch at the first. And off we go again, down over the edge to a reservoir. Nice bouncy path down to the reservoir, hopefully. Tiny bit of heather burning. We get to a road and it says go left. It's a trap for something. Another trap. I wonder if it's for ground vermin that get to the eggs of the grouse. The reservoir looks pretty low. Through the farm. Orderly queue. The Watch Water Reservoir. The overflow channel doesn't look as though it's been needed for a while. Gosh. Here is the lovely bank. Not sure how far up this dam is supposed to go, but it's very low. A memorial to this chap, Alistair Thompson. Looks out over the reservoir and hills. Final road walk past the farms. Something's going on here. A lot of vehicles, a lot of signs saying danger. I guess it's their upgrading water treatment plant of some sort, but who knows. So we're just leaving Longformacus, which is, most guidebooks have as the last stay, but it leaves you a 30k last day. If you're trying to catch a bus at 2:30, that's, you have to go quite fast. We gave way. This is very, very red soil. A raised section through all the scrub. Heading towards this wind farm, I think. Sometimes the cows are just too strong and then you can't see the marker. We swerved the wind farm and the one that's not turning has got a maintenance vehicle at the bottom. Another casualty of the cows.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.